Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to obtain the upper triangle and the lower triangle of a correlation matrix in R or RStudio. This builds on our previous videos on how to create a correlation matrix in R and how to create an APA formatted correlation table in R or RStudio. Let's go ahead and jump in. First, we're going to define the object mat.1 as a correlation matrix with only using the complete observations. This provides us our correlation matrix. We have items from a survey from previous research that I've conducted on virtual reality. To obtain the lower triangle, we first need to remove the upper part of the correlation matrix. So for simplicity, I'm going to round each of the values in the correlation matrix to 2 decimal points. So we'll go ahead and do that now. That provides us a much cleaner correlation matrix than the one provided in the basic core function. Now we're going to actually remove those values using this line of code here. And we'll be able to see, okay, we have removed the upper triangle, those values, and to actually show this in a much cleaner format without those quotation marks, we have to define upper as a data frame. So we'll go ahead and do that. And we have a very clean looking lower triangle of the correlation matrix. Now, in some instances, we may want to not have those ones in the upper or lower triangle. So in this next example, whenever we remove the lower part of the triangle, I will show you how to remove those ones from the triangle. So again, we're doing the same thing, rounding our original correlation matrix and defining that object as lower. Then we're going to actually remove the lower part of the triangle. And from this, I will show you that we have now removed the ones from this triangle. So there are no ones as in the previous one. And we did this with the diag equals true part of this line of code. So now we can actually define lower as a data frame, and that creates a very nice upper triangle without the ones on the diagonal. So today I've showed you how to obtain the upper and lower triangles of a correlation matrix, and I've shown you how to either keep the diagonal or remove the diagonal from those upper or lower triangles. If you have questions on how to obtain these upper or lower triangles or any other questions for R or RStudio, please feel free to email me at kt.manus@ttu.edu. Thanks. Bye-bye.